I'm really looking forward to hearing all of the different speakers, especially as someone who writes for science. I want to know more about publishing in different subjects as well.
That's what's great about this conference is that you meet people in different parts of their life or different parts of their academic career or different points in their learning about publications in general, how publishing works.
Just like undergrads, I guess, who are involved in student-led publishing or who are trying to, who are just here to learn more. I think a big part of it is to maybe get like a wider range of ideas, maybe just from students who aren't just at Dartmouth.
It's just been good to talk to the other editors from other schools about their process.
By talking to a student, from BU, we're able to, I guess, get our journals more connected, and then also to increase our range of impact.
It's really good to have your writing in a setting where other people are reading it and critiquing it, and you can understand how people are taking in the things you've written.
You'll walk out of that editorial experience with a publication for your portfolio that you can share with an interviewer at an internship opportunity or a job opportunity. Not just the publication itself, but also the experience that you can draw upon. So if anything that today can do, I hope that everyone walks away knowing that they are all really accomplishing something significant.